Good day, my name is Rabi Olalere Musa. I'm a graduate of Obafemi Awolowo University from the Department of Agricultural and Environmental Engineering. I've been teaching for the past 10 years now. I teach physics, I teach chemistry, I teach mathematics, I teach further maths, and I teach basic English. So today I will just briefly introduce us to a topic in physics, which is distance, the difference between distance and displacement. So as it's being displayed on the screen, distance, when you have an object at a point, if the object moves to another point, then we say the object has covered a distance. So the actual length the object has traveled is what we refer to as distance. But there's no between distance and displacement. Displacement is the distance traveled in a specified direction. So actually, displacement is distance traveled on a straight line. The straight line that joins two different points is what we refer to as displacement. Displacement, distance traveled in a specified direction. Distance, the actual length of path between 2 points. So take for example, if I have 2 point A, if I have a point A here and I have a point B here, so I can have an object moves like this to point A, to point B, another object moves like this. Now the two objects, although their path is different, so let's say this one moves through part A, this one moves through part B, their paths are different. So because their paths are different, we say they travel different distance. But since they both start and end at the same point, then we say their displacement is the same. So their displacement is actually the straight line that join these 2 points. That is their displacement. So part C there represents their displacement. So they have the same displacement, although they travel different distance, but they have the same displacement. Because that is the distance, the straight line distance between the two of them, which is part C. So we say distance is a scalar quantity, while vector is displacement is a vector quantity. We define a scalar quantity as a quantity that has magnitude and direction. A scalar quantity as a quantity that has magnitude only but no direction. But a vector quantity has both magnitude and direction. A vector quantity, both magnitude and direction. A scalar quantity does not have direction but has magnitude. So we'll continue from here next class. Thank you.